And today I'm here with my friends, Abby.
Hi.
And Coco. Hi. Oh, I'm looking at the camera. And here is Kylie.
Hi.
And today we are going to have some fun here in the park, and it's going to be so much fun.
Kayla is coming.
Oh yeah, Kayla too. I forgot to introduce her. And this is Kayla,
And
Kylie's
she's
little
a
sister. And let's go have some fun!
All right.
Say hi to my little brother!
Cody.
Here's my
Hello,
little brother.
Cody.
This is
He's
my little
so cute.
brother, Cody. All of us have twins. I mean sisters or little sisters or little brothers. I only have a little brother. Guys, come on. And guys, this place is hot today. After rain, it's getting hot.
Yeah, and there are bugs everywhere. Yep,
Yep, literally everywhere.
Oh yeah, and I forgot there's water here. It's
Yeah, because it just rained.
big bug.
And guys, I'm wearing my Heelys. I'm wearing Heelys right now. Heelys are a type of shoe called Heelys because they have heels and they're shoes too. That's why they're called Heelys. Yeah. I'm skating. Yeah! Guys, I'm skating because if I walked, I would be like, But I'm skating. Skates. Oh, Abby, Coco.
Hi.
Coco. Kylie. Guys.
Right here. What? You want us to say hello?
No, it's not go time yet. Guys, this is going to get really scary. I'm going to get higher and higher.
Be careful, Caitlin.
Okay. My real name is Caitlin, but just call me Baby Cat.
Oh my God.
Here's my head. I gotta do it. Oh, I'm okay. I'm totally okay. Just fell down from this big high thing. This is the biggest statue I've ever seen. Like this. No, not Abby. Not Abby. Like that over there, like right that. Like, let me walk closer and let you see what it is. Look how huge that is. Guys, if you think that's humongous, then just comment down below if it's big. And comment down below what park you really like. And also, if you don't have a park, then you should guess which friend do you like the best. Bye, and give it a like and subscribe. Guys, I want to say bye to the YouTubers because it's all ending now. Bye. Bye. Say hi.
Hi.
I mean bye.
Bye. Okay. Bye.
Bye guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and subscribe to the channel. Bye, and don't forget